What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes, I wanted to do a quick price analysis and price prediction on Cosmos, or Atom. That's the crypto called. That's also the abbreviation and the ticker on the most exchanges. So yeah, we'll do a quick price analysis, looking at important price levels and figuring out, excuse me, what can happen depending on what the price does at those price levels. So before we get into it, two quick disclaimers. I think that's necessary. First of all, obviously this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion based on a technical analysis mainly, also fundamentals of course. And second of all, this whole analysis is based upon the assumption that we remain in relatively stable markets, fundamentally seen. So if any fundamentals change, if any more bad news comes out, more escalation in Ukraine, for example, then please forget about the analysis, because frankly, fundamentals are still stronger, and we've seen that the last few days, or the last week, are still stronger than technicals. So having said that, let's get right into it. So Adam, what we're actually doing, let's first take a look. I think the volume is pretty good as well. Oh, it's actually, well, it's fine. It's actually 12% of the market cap, which to be honest is quite high for such a high market cap coin. It's up 15% since yesterday. It's also up against the market, against Bitcoin, Ethereum. So yeah, what we did is we actually touched this resistance level at $28.5, which is a major resistance level. It's actually quite a strong resistance level. So I do think we'll find support or resistance from there. I thought we would drop down to 27 cents then. But we already kind of dropped down to like 27.5, and I guess you could consider that also part of that key level, as you can see right here. So we already kind of did that. I should draw it like this. Already kind of did that, and I actually think that off of that retest, so that would still count if from now we'll drop down to 27 cents. But off of that retest, I think we can actually break this level. And to really break the level, we should close above 29.4. And as soon as we do that, I think we can easily get up to, well, let's do a conservative price target up to $31. That would be my first resistance and price target. As I said, I think that's possible if from now or off of the break retest off of 27 cents support, we break 29.4. I think then that's possible. I think 31 will give us some significant resistance, but then at least we have broken that level already, and we can use that as a support. At least if the fundamentals stay the same, then it would actually be quite a strong support. Yeah, if we don't manage to do that, so if for the next day or off of that break retest off of 27 cents, we do not manage to break this full level, so we can even get higher to 29.4. I actually think that's quite likely, but if we don't break that, I just think we're going to drop down to this support at 25, this full area around $25 again, but more specific levels are somewhere around 25.6, and I do think that's going to hold. And from there, we might be able to start a consolidation between like $25 and $29, which for the time being, waiting for the next driver in price, hopefully a bullish one, wouldn't be too bad in my opinion. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on the Atom. If you do have any questions about this analysis, anything I said, anything you saw, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye, and take care.